Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to sign an Inhouz Sign document. I'm currently in the Inhouz Cloud console. To get into Inhouz Sign module, all I need to do is click on the Inhouz Sign tab. So I arrive at the Inhouz Sign module. I can see the Documents tab, the Templates tab. So we're going to be sending the document using one of our templates called Test Proposal. I'm just going to jump into this proposal, into this template very quickly. So we have a signature widget and we have a text block that is overlaid on top of our existing PDF document. This template only has one role, so there will be one recipient. This is just for, a simple example of a template. So I'm going to come back in here, get into my Documents tab, click on Create Document. I'm just going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Test Proposal XX123. So we're going to select Use a Template. I am going to then select my Test Proposal template. So I clicked on the Search Templates directory to have that pop up. I'm going to switch to the dev environment because this is just for test purposes. I'm going to go into the recipients. I'm just going to pick myself as the recipient, and all signers receive a copy, so I don't need to do anything more than that. I can go to security configuration. I'm going to turn this off because I can securely access my email. And then I'm just going to send this document. All right, so it's going to generate that application. All right, so if I switch to the development environment while in the Inhouz Sign Documents tab, I can see that my document was sent. So now I'm going to switch into recipient mode. I have my email open and I'm going to drag into the view very shortly. There we go. All right, so I've received a message that basically says, hey, please review, and here's the document name. It's coming from myself via Inhouz Sign. And this name is going to depend on the person who's actually sending the document. So it has a generic message because I did not change the message. And all I need to do is click on View Document. All right, so this is what the user sees. All right, so I'm just going to take this off the screen. So I'm in the sign-in view. So you see a few things right away. You see who's sending it. You see what the organization is. I'm using my accounts and I just happen to be Inhouz Cloud Services. This right here will be your company's name. Before a user can sign, they would have to agree to the terms of using electronic records for signature. And of course, your users or your assignee can choose to decline. So I'm just going to say, I agree. So as you can see here, we have the Inhouz Sign draft, and that's just to let you know that this is indeed the non-production environment. So this is just a test document. You can see this arrow, which is going to tell you what the required fields are. And if you move, it kind of follows around. And as you can see, our text block now reflects my name because I am the recipient. Because we did this using a template. So I'm just going to click on the Signature tab. You can change the fonts and you can change the colors. Okay, just keep that in mind that users can. And they can also, upload a signature. So if they have an image on their computer, they can upload that. They can draw it if they wanted to. Or you can just use the default, which is the preset, pre-typed signature. I'm going to adopt and sign. So you only need to do that once if you had multiple signature elements. When a user selects the signature that they want, the next time they click on another signature element, it automatically signs. So the pop-up doesn't, come out multiple times. So since all the required fields have been filled, the submit button now shows itself, and I can just click on submit, and it's submitted successfully. And you're gonna get a few emails as a recipient. So one email that I'm getting here is that I have successfully signed, and I believe I'm gonna get another email, and this email here contains the signed copy. So this is the document that we just signed, and here are the certificates. This is the certificate of completion that kind of has the audit logs and just some metadata associated with this legal document. All right, and now if I jump back into the platform, if you were to, let's say, refresh the page, switch back into the development environment, we can see that this document was completed. If we view it, we also see the signed copy, okay? And we can also download this document. All right, so that's it for this video. See you in the next one.